Hey guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix Logitech G Hub not working. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. In this case, you might be wondering, how do you fix Logitech G Hub here if it's not working? Well, in this case, there is one thing here that you can do to probably solve this issue. So in this case, you need to do a fresh reinstallation. Now, the only difference here is we need to clear the actual settings, because in this case, doing the first reinstallation method here actually solves a lot of issues. So in this case, first things first is we need to close Logitech G Hub. Now you want to go ahead and press Ctrl+Shift+Escape on your keyboard to open up Task Manager, and from here you want to look for Logitech. Now in this case, you need to go to the L section here, and basically if you do see Logitech here, just right click on it. So you have LG Hub here, right click on it, click on End Task. Now if you see any LG software, go ahead and close that as well. Now once you've closed all the LG or Logitech G Hub software here, let's go and proceed to the next step. Now at the bottom left of your screen, you want to go ahead and click on search, and you want to type in the following, which is going to be uninstall. Now click on add or remove programs. Now in here, what we need to do is we need to look for Logitech. You can go to the search this list option and just type in Logitech, and from here you want to click on Logitech and click on uninstall. Now click on uninstall again, and in this case it's going to ask you, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Just answer yes. Now from here, what we need to do is we need to proceed on the installation process. So it's going to give this pop-up here. Now what we need to do here, the only difference that you need to do here is you need to make sure that you uncheck the option here that says save my current settings. Now if you retain it, in this case if you enable this one, this will keep the settings, and when you reinstall Logitech G Hub here, this will actually retain the problem itself. So make sure to uncheck this one and click on uninstall. Now once you've done that, you could go ahead and reinstall Logitech G Hub again. So go ahead and visit Logitech's or Logitech G Hub's official website and get the .exe file and reinstall it again. Now usually this will solve the problem, so especially with a lot of issues or major issues with the app itself. But in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.